Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays. On Wait a Minute Wednesdays, we roll to save. I have 2 dice. The 6-sided dice tells us which challenge to stuff, and the 8-sided dice tells us how much money to give it. So let's count our cash. This is our first time stuffing this amount. I'm excited. Let's see. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 60 whole dollars. Let's see what we can do. I'm hoping, okay, if it's in my favor, we get these 2 completed and this one close, these 2 close to completion. So let's see what's in store. So let's see, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Okay, challenge 1 gets 3. All right. Challenge 3 gets 6. Challenge 5 gets 6. And if you guys notice, I rearranged them. I didn't put them in 1 through 6. You know, keep it a little funky. Challenge 3 gets 8. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And actually, give it a 10. Okay. Challenge 5 gets 8. Oh, these 8s. Okay. So we'll give it 13, put a 5 back. Okay, we need something for challenge 4 and 1 again. Challenge 3, what's up? Jeez. So we need to give it 4. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it, no, I'm gonna leave it. I'm just gonna give it $4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll condense it later. Challenge 2 gets 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we still got a couple rolls. I need something for 4. Please and thank you. Challenge 2 gets 4. So we'll give it 5 and put 1 back. Challenge 6 gets 1. Five for 5. Okay, they not playing right. They don't care what I want. 4 for 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. $7. That was perfect. Okay. Okay. All right. So that ends our game. Challenge in position 6, which was challenge 3, got 1 whole dollar. So let's get that colored in. The next challenge that had the least was challenge 1. I mean, we made some progress. One, two, 3. So we have 5 remaining. I guess better luck next week. Probably should be able to condense this next time. And that's what I do, like when I pull the cash for this challenge, I just go through before the video and condense to get, you know, smaller bills. All right, and then next was this one, which we're going to complete today. So I'm excited. We have 5 remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with the $2, we're gonna put right here. And we'll be able to pull another challenge. And we should have 15 to complete this. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything behind. And so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woohoo! Let me get this colored in. Alrighty. So we have 15, 1 completed challenge. I'll pull a replacement in a few. Let's see who the winner is. So the owl has 12. Our feather challenge by Sisters on a Budget has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19. And this is from the Owl Saving the Stars. It's from Nita and the Almost Organized Owl. And then the bubblegum is from Money Tamer. She had an Etsy at the time that I ordered it, but she only has a website. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so the winner was the feathers. Then I guess this is a gumball jar. Maybe even a corn jar. All right, so we have 11 here. Let's see what we can do. Definitely want to do a 7, and I think that'll be 4. So let me put this 18 away. And let me bring out the calculator so I can have me a running total. We had 18. I'm going to do a 5. We're making some progress. And then when this is complete, we'll have $100. And this one goes to the kids binder. And our winner here, we started with 19. Oh, ooh, 19 plus these $2. So that's, oh, it's actually 3. 19, 20, 21, 22. So I know already $2 gonna roll. So we're gonna do a 15 and a 5. Yes, let's do it. I think this is the pink I was using. Okay, maybe not. And that was all the damage we can do. Let's see. So challenge 6, we'll get, let's see. I think we'll just replace it with the same challenge, but different denomination. So we save 1 for each boba, and that was 15. This one is 2. And look at that, we can do our first one. This came with a set in a set of 3, and the third one, for some reason, I don't know if it's, I'm thinking it's probably higher, and I didn't print it. But I can't remember if it was a higher or like, you know, choose your number, choose your amount. But that is it for Wait a Minute Wednesdays, and I will chat with you guys in the next video.